make sure you set yourself up in a proper prep. Yeah. We're going to do a coupe turn. So you're going to go right here, turn, and renverse jump out of it. So you're here around, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your turn is 1, 2, 3. You're going to jump on 4, and we're going to actually go to the floor. So from here, your renverse goes up on 4. You're going to do a jazz split, 5, 6, plank on 1. Hi, I'm Nichelle Bane. How would you like to do a lyrical combo that's fast, intricate, and will challenge you? Then come join me on DancePlug.